The cap assembly consists of the cap itself, a gasket to seal the cap, and a lanyard so the cap is not lost. There are a few different problems that are common with the fuel cap assembly. The gasket will eventually wear out. This will cause fuel to leak from the cap. If the cap is over-tightened, the threads will be stressed and often break off. The lanyard can sometimes also break off. Replacing the cap assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, chicken mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old cap assembly. I'll unthread the cap from the tank and then pull the lanyard out of the tank. To install the new cap, I'll slightly fold the lanyard and insert it into the tank neck. Once in place, I'll just thread the cap back onto the tank. And that's how simple it is to replace the cap assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.